Chat. You seen the video? I have. I love it. I love it. Chat. Hey, thank you guys so much for having a great night. Or no, thank you guys for giving me a great night. I really appreciate it. Hope you all have an amazing rest of your Saturday night or morning or whatever it is where you are. Thank you for sticking around. Thanks for being here. I'll see all of you tomorrow. I can't wait. Kenna, thanks for the 100 bits. Thanks for keeping my drunk ass entertained. Same. Thanks for keeping my drunk ass entertained. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great night. I'll see all of you fine folks tomorrow. Peace out, everybody. Have a good one.